Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is December the 6th. This week we opened quite a few boxes, so instead of doing them one after the other, I put us making a block from our Friday bundle in between, so you get a sneak peek on that as well. You get to see a little bit of packaging in there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So that's it everyone, thank you all for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video that's available will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. There are some things in there that are going to be Tuesday specials in the future, so you may not see that down there. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below as well. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.